Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and we're looking at a 2020 Grand Cherokee Altitude 4x4. It's offered in bright white clear coat with a black interior. This vehicle is offered by Lou Fusz Jeep in St. Louis. For additional information or a test drive, contact Alan. His information is listed below. The sticker price on this vehicle is $44,670. Here we see the darkened lens LED taillights. We also have a Class 4 trailer hitch with 7 and 4 pin pre-wired for your trailer. As we move around on the side, we can see the 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels wrapped with 265/50 R20-inch tires. Incidentally, we have a full-size spare in this vehicle as well. And we move around to the front of the vehicle. We can see the dark bezel automatic headlamps, LED fog lights, electronic stability control, heavy-duty engine cooling. As we dive into the interior, we see the 60/40 rear seats, split fold-down seats. And here we get a great look at the center stack and the power moonroof. As we slide into the front driver and passenger area, we can see the leather-wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls. It is a heated steering wheel. We'll show the functionality of that in a moment. The center stack, the illuminated cup holder, so when it's dark you can see where your cup holders are. It's really a cool feature. Here we see the additional power ports for the rear occupants, as well as the second row climate control, center stack, steering wheel, fingertip controls. The power moonroof and the dark headliner really is a cool headliner. The 8-way power driver's seat. Both driver and passenger seats are heated. We'll show the functionality of that on the center stack here in a moment. And the instrument cluster, we'll punch through some of the functionality of that. We have a telescoping steering wheel, the one-touch power windows up and down. You also see the dark wood trim on the doors and dash. Additional power ports. There's a 12 volt as well as the USB. Really nice cubby. The Jeep logoed remote. There's the heated steering wheel that we mentioned earlier. So you can control the climate control from the old school buttons or on the 8.4-inch touchscreen. Here we have the Sport package, and it shows up on the instrument cluster. We have remote start. Heated seats, as I mentioned. Here we're punching through the various functions of the 8.4 Uconnect 4 display screen. We have 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, 506 watt amplifier. There you see the navigation. We have Sirius XM 1-year subscription, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Really a nice center console with 2 layers. There's for your smaller personal items, and then a deep center console for your larger items, as well as a glove box with the owner's manuals. Integrated voice command with Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, blind spot and cross path detection. There's the trailer hitch, the power lift gate, additional power port for the rear, and there's one of the 9 amplified speakers. The 60/40 rear fold-down seats. And the power liftgate, as we mentioned. We have 36.3 cubic feet of storage space with the seats in the upright position. And for an engine, we have a 3.6 liter V6 producing 295 horse, mated to an 8-speed automatic quadra-track 4-wheel drive system, 18 miles per gallon city, 25 miles per gallon highway. Really a nice clean engine bay, easy to get to the windshield washer